To complete Zopa online banking, start by navigating to the Zopa website and clicking on the Login button. Enter your username and password. Then click the Login button to access your account. If you are a new user, click on the Register button and follow the prompts to create an account. Once logged in, you will be taken to the dashboard where you can view your account balance, transaction history, and loan details. To make a payment, click on the Make a Payment button and enter the amount you wish to pay. You can choose to make a one-off payment or set up a direct debit. To apply for a loan, click on the Apply for a Loan button and fill out the application form. You will need to provide personal and financial information, including your income, employment status, and credit history. Zopa will then use this information to determine your eligibility for a loan and provide you with a quote. To manage your loan, click on the My Loans tab and select the loan you wish to view. From here, you can see your loan balance, interest rate, and repayment schedule. You can also make overpayments or settle your loan early by clicking on the Make a Payment button. It is essential to keep your account information up to date and secure. To do this, click on the My Account tab and select the Personal Details option. From here, you can update your address, phone number, and email address. You can also change your password and set up two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. Best practices for using Zopa online banking include regularly checking your account activity, keeping your account information up to date, and making timely payments. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively complete Zopa online banking and manage your finances with ease.